guys, so I had this idea that I would film a video for you sharing a few things that I actually have listed for sale. Now, I'd already listed them for sale, but I thought, you know what, why don't I just make a YouTube video and just show you guys, and if anyone's interested you could just go onto my shop and have a look. So they're just a few pieces from my wardrobe. I say a few pieces, it's going to be a lot of stuff. I'm having a huge wardrobe, so I'm having a huge clear out, just generally speaking, because I'm wanting to do a few projects on the house. But to do that I need to make a bit more space, and my dressing room stroke office stroke makeup area, let's just say, that's where I do all my crafting, all that stuff, that needs clearing out too. And I've got so many clothes that I need to just say goodbye to, and so I'm just gonna get listing. I spent the other day, all afternoon actually, just taking photographs of these items, and I will continue to do that over the next few weeks, just have a massive clear out. So I figured, hey, while I've had a bit of a spring clean this morning in the bedroom, like vacuuming and just dusting and everything, opening all the windows, letting some sunshine in, I thought, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna sit here and just show you a few pieces that I'm gonna list, and yeah, I would be interested in that. And you know what's really cool about this, sometimes the listings don't really show or like articulate what you're getting, so it's probably nice to sort of see a video. I'll be listing it on eBay, so they don't actually have like a video facility, so you can't like film your item. So this is a good idea, I think. Anyway, see what you guys actually think. So I may as well get into it because there's a few pieces and I don't want this video to be like gigantically long. Yeah, so well, let's do this. I thought I would insert this here. I just had this idea after I finished filming. I am going to put some photographs of like street style or bloggers wearing similar outfits so that you can be inspired. Because seeing as I'm not trying them on for you, you may be able to like get an idea of how to wear them if I like show you an idea of how I would wear them. So yeah, I thought that'd be quite helpful. So I'll just insert little pictures that I will not talk about, but I will put the pictures in just so you can see how I'd style it. I'm going to stop rambling on now. Bye. So first item, I'm a size 14, but some of these items might be like plus size just because I wanted to buy like oversized, or I just like the style of it, and some of these items just don't fit me the way I'd like them to fit me anymore. So that's, I'm not going to try them on or anything, but that's the deal really. But I will put measurements and label sizing on the listing, so you'll just be able to go into my description and see the listings for yourself. And if it has already sold out, I will actually put like another link to something similar on eBay, and I think that would be really helpful because that won't lead to too much disappointment if I have sold it already. But first of all, there's this almost famous smock, and it's pure silk. It's like a crepe, crinkly crepe, and it's got really lovely details. You can see that it's like an ashy black, and it's got this folk style embroidered quilted effect, which is really on trend at the moment, that whole quilted look. But yeah, this is the item, and I think this is a size medium. Anyway, I'll show you. I think it's a medium, so, but yeah, you'll see it on the video. Sorry, you'll see it on the listing. Goodness, I have no idea what I'm saying. This is a coercion poplin crisp shirt, and it's 100% cotton, and it's one of those smocked shirts, so it's really long. This is actually a size 18, and I bought this one because it just looks so good with skinny jeans and trainers, and I just love the whole baggy, really long shirt look, and I just loved it. But I have so many of these already. I'm just clearing out, so this is in immaculate condition, so you won't be disappointed. Like I said, it's a size 18 by the brand Coercion. It's just a really nice crisp white smocked poplin shirt. Next is this deconstructed, reconstructed silk and cotton jersey. I call it like a skinny sweater. It is a size small, will best fit an 8 to 10. It just doesn't fit me anymore, and I really like this raw hem with this silk edging. And yeah, I say reconstructed or deconstructed, reconstructed, because they've sort of taken it apart and then re-sewn it again. That's the look it's going for. Again, it's in really lovely condition, and it is jigsaw, so it's going to be a nice quality piece. And this washes so well, so you're going to get something quite nice there. This is a racerback vest in charcoal by Alexander Wang. It's the T range, and it's just this almost sheer layering tank with a little pocket. It is a size medium, and there is a slight flaw on it. It's like 2 tiny little holes there, but it's a really nice piece anyway, and it almost has that All Saints feel to it anyway, so those holes shouldn't really be too detrimental to the style of the item. Here, it's just too small for me, so I'm just gonna let it go, but it's such a nice top. It goes so nicely with jeans, and it goes so nicely with like a skirt or whatever. It's a really versatile top, and it's this crinkle crepe, almost like a waffle crinkle, with these flutter sleeves and this lace detailing here. It's just a really pretty floaty blouse by Michael Kors, and again it's size small, so again it's a bit small for me, but it's such a nice, easy to clean piece as well. It's so easy to keep nice and neat as well. It's really lovely blouse. It's a shame to let that one go. This is a vintage 90s diesel denim skinny pearl snap top. It's really fun. It just doesn't fit me. These are super collectible at the moment, so yeah, this is a size medium. There we go. Yeah, and it's a really lovely skinny fit. It looks great tucked into jeans or in a midi denim skirt. That looks amazing. It looks really good. It's super flattering as well. It's just a bit small for me now, and I've got to make space. This I've never worn. It's a mango suit blouse. It's a party blouse, and it's this bronze lame fabric. It looks really good in photos, and it's got this great large shirred detail with these voluminous almost 1970s. I really like this one. It's so Saint Laurent. It gives Saint Laurent vibes majorly, and it looked great with like little like high-waisted leather shorts, or skinny jeans or leather leggings. This just looks awesome. I think it's really lovely, but again, I just haven't worn it, so it's got an open back. Just had nowhere to wear it, so, and I've got so many other tops that I want to keep, so some things have to go. This is by Cos. It's a size medium, and it's a knitted cotton cardigan, and it's just your basic long sleeved cardigan with draped pockets. It is sheer, but then it's not sheer. It's a bit odd really, but yeah, lovely piece again. This again, I love it so much. I just never worn it, so I may as well just let it go. This is by Lost Ink, and it's a size 14, and it's this gorgeous cable knit, super soft jumper with contrasting cotton sleeves, and then you've got all this beautiful embroidery on there with the crochet lace. It's just a really cool jumper, but I love to let it go, but just give it a new home. It is brand new with tags, Again, see, I love it so much, but I haven't worn it. I just have to be ruthless. It's uber on trend as well. This one's sold out pretty quickly, and things like it, like on Suzanne, or who else does it? Was it Zimmerman? I can't remember who did this style jumper. Was it Ella Johnson? I can't remember now, but it's a really, really nice piece. So I'm sure that will sell quite quickly. This is a French pointel cardigan by Jean Pierre. It's vintage. It's just a crisp white pointel cardigan with these lovely buttons, and it's just it's boxy, and it's just a lovely, lovely piece. I just already have a few pieces like this already, so I'm just going to let this one go. This one's a size large and it's 100% cotton. Very Suzanne, again, very French Parisian girl style. This is a wide collared pin dot satin blouse by Topshop. There's the label. It's a size 10. It just doesn't fit me that well. I love the voluminous sleeves, and I love the ruffles on the cuffs and the collar, in really good condition. Again, it's a size 10, size 38, so it's a 10 to 12. It's nice loose fit and super on trend as well, especially this collar. It's just great for layering. This is a vintage chunky knit wool, like a muted mushroom cardigan. Really lovely piece, nice quality knitwear, and then it's got real leather buttons there as well. Yeah, it's one size, but I'd say it fit size 12 to 14 if you want that sort of baggy, boxy feel. This again was a plus size item, but I just liked it for the fit. And it's just a cream blouse by the brand David Nieper. It's a really expensive blouse actually. I love the ornate modernist buttons there, and this contrasting satin shoulder detail, and it has the matching cuffs as well. I like to just tuck it into my mom jeans, which look really sweet. But this is a size 18. It's 100% polyester, super silky, and it's got spare buttons there as well. Yeah, I just like that hidden pleated, well, that hidden button pleated detail on there. But yeah, it's cute. And I've got finally these 3 blouses. This one is a poplin pure cotton shirt from the 80s, and it's got this giant wide what's it, voluminous? I don't know. Really flouncy collar with the necktie detail, and they've got these big voluminous sleeves as well with a gathered cuff. It's just amazing. I have loads of these blouses, so just had to part with some, just make some room. There's loads more coming, so do keep an eye out. This is another 80s, this is Scandinavian style voluminous blouse with the ornate metal buttons. It's got the cute shirred ruffle detail there, and then you've got your lace panel there, and then we also have a nice cutout detailing like broderie anglaise there, and a gathered short sleeve. It's so cute, like jeans and heels or jeans and ballet pumps. It's just adorable with a straw bag. It's just so cute. And finally, again, there's this one. This one you may want to change the pads, but I didn't bother because they're not that bad. But the shoulder pads, you can just remove them or keep them. I kept them just because it keeps the structure on the shoulders. But this is a beautiful cotton blouse again with these ornate moulded plastic buttons. They look like sunshines, so art deco. Lovely cotton ruffly wide collar there, and then these beautiful puff sleeves, almost Victorian in style, with this lace detail. So on trend. So 2021, I just love it. Yeah, so those are what will be listed. So if you just go down below and have a look at the description, I'll post links there, or just post a link to my shop, and then also I will post links to things that are similar if you find that it's like sold out and you're just wanting something similar. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, pretty swift on there. Have a great week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.